What is a HydraFacial? So we have our lovely patient here tonight, Rosemary. Rosemary's had many HydraFacials with us, and it's one of her favorite treatments to really deep clean, exfoliate and decongest her skin. So basically what it is, it's a medical grade skin resurfacing treatment which is suitable for pretty much all skin types. It combines a deep clean, exfoliation, extraction, antioxidant hydration for instantly brighter, clearer and cleaner skin with pretty much little to no downtime. The HydraFacial is really effective. It's painlessly helping to remove blackheads, whiteheads, which is going to help improve acne and oily prone skin. It also helps remove the dead skin cells on the surface of the skin, so we're looking for that clearer, brighter, hydrated skin, so it's going to really help provide that deep, intense hydration. These are one of the tips that we use. So there are 3 different tips through the HydraFacial machine. This is going to help extract and exfoliate the skin. So that's all the solution that's going to help extract, any dead layers of skin, any excess oil, any excess debris on the surface of the skin to help, as a double cleanse. So we're going to start on the nose. So why do we double cleanse? So we double cleanse before any treatment, and that is because our first cleanse is going to help, really rid the skin of any excess makeup, oils, any serums left on the skin throughout the day. And our second cleanse, like we are performing now, is going to actually help really exfoliate and deep clean the skin. Everyone feels like their skin feels so much better after we actually double cleanse, believe it or not. So, Rosemary, how's that feeling? It's not too scratchy on the skin, is it?
No, all good. Beautiful.
You can really get into any nook and cranny, which is why we love a HydraFacial for a deep clean and exfoliation. That is our double cleanse done and dusted. This is really good for extractions because what it's going to do is it's quite a bit rougher in the surface, and that's going to help push in the next serum, which is a peel, and then afterwards it's going to help extract. So I'm going to add on our Glycol peel. So this is a peel that's customized to HydraFacial. So say if someone was pregnant or breastfeeding or wanted a stronger treatment, we can actually customize and use a different peel in this step. Glycol uses salicylic and glycolic acid. So we're going to pop that straight onto the nose. Why we love the use of glycolic and salicylic. Salicylic acid is oil soluble. So what that means is it tunnels into the deep pores. It's going to help soften any excess oil, sebum, any dirt in the pores of the skin. The glycolic acid works well for the top layers of skin. So, any kind of that textural irregularity that you can feel. So dryness, that thickened skin, that's what's going to help soften with the glycolic acid. So what the peel does is it breaks down oil and dead skin cells in the pores of the skin. So this is going to be really great to help, soften any blackheads, any excess oil, any whiteheads. Now this shouldn't tingle too much. Is this tingling at all?
No.
Not too bad. Okay, great. So you really want to work all the way around the skin. Now I'd like to mention why we're doing this as well is that the HydraFacial can actually be used on the back. That's great for acne. You can also use it on chest and neck. So there's nowhere that this can't go. We leave this peel on for a good 3 minutes. And the reason we do that is just to really help, like I said, soften with that salicylic acid deeper into the pores of the skin, helping really soften that excess oil, any dirt and debris. So I am just going to kind of massage this in a little bit for Rosemary. The reason why people choose to do a HydraFacial is they just want something that's going to really give them that instantaneous pickup. The thing that's going to help brighten their skin. They're going to feel instantly clearer, cleaner, and more hydrated. So definitely coming into spring, it's that perfect pick-me-up for the skin. Change over my solution to, it's called Beta HD, and that's a blend of further salicylic acid and some antioxidants, but we get to turn the suction up on the machine. Now the reason why we turn the suction up is that this is going to be useful as an extraction stage. These are nice long slow passes, really using that vacuum to help any underlying congestion like dirt, oil, dead skin cells, blackheads. And we can actually show you at the back of the HydraFacial machine what comes out of the skin, which I love. Onto the chins. This is a nice area that people feel they have some congestion. That's feeling okay, is that Rosemary? Mm-hmm. Beautiful. So you can see that the skin's starting to go a bit pink or a bit red. That's normal. It's just that vasodilation of the blood vessels from the suction. So that will settle down probably 20 minutes to half an hour after the treatment. If you are somebody who has quite reddened, inflamed, really sensitive skin, I probably wouldn't recommend a HydraFacial to start off with. We do like to customize all our treatments for clients. So for an example, if Rosemary came in and her cheeks are really red, she was inflamed, but she was worried about her blackheads, we could quite easily use this vacuum suction just on the nose. So we really like to tailor create our treatments for all skin types and all our clients. So go nice and slow. It's just that really getting in there. Popping on my clear tip. So this is really great for the hydration step. Now this is actually my favorite step. It's using a serum called the Antiox Plus. And the reason why I love this is it's the hydration step. So the skin's obviously quite open, the pores are clean, we want to rehydrate the skin. So this uses a blend of hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants. So the reason why we love this serum after a HydraFacial, it's going to provide deep hydration, because as we know, hyaluronic acid holds 1,000 times its own weight in water. So you're getting that plumping effect underneath the skin. It's going to deeply hydrate, firm, and plump the skin. This step is pregnancy and breastfeeding safe. And the reason why we like to hydrate is just to replenish what's being taken out of the skin. And we're reinfusing the skin with all the good stuff. So this step, I do like to mention that it can sting to our clients. Is that feeling hot or tingly at all? Is it okay?
It's okay.
Yeah. So this can tingle a little bit just because it's, infusing into quite open skin. And this is what really helps that glow of the HydraFacial. So as you can see, I'm back into that paint stroking effect. This is our infusing, so that really kind of pushing in the serum into the skin. I'd like to also mention there are some add-ons that we can do for the HydraFacial. So we have a pre-add-on, and that is lymphatic drainage. So, we can change to facial lymphatic, and it uses this type of glass handpiece. And what the lymphatic drainage does, I can kind of show you on my hand. It just kind of sucks the skin ever so slightly. And the whole point of helping with lymphatic drainage is that it helps remove toxins in the skin. So, say if you're someone who's really prone to, puffy eyes or puffy skin, so this would really help move those toxins along. We follow the your lymph nodes. The treatment itself is an add-on, it takes about 20 minutes, and what you notice after that is skin or the face looks a bit more contoured, the puffiness is gone, and obviously those toxins have been released, which is great. Now, another add-on that we do, which is actually during our HydraFacial treatment, is an add-on called Dermabuild. So the Dermabuild is a really incredible blend of high quality peptides. Now peptides are great for anti-aging, so this would be great for spotting on areas if you've got some fine lines, great for the neck, great for the décolletage. Last add-on, which I'll quickly show now, just get Rosemary to keep her eyes closed, is actually LED lights. So we have two different lights. So I'll pop on blue. So our blue lights are great for those who have oily, congested skin. The blue light comes out, you hover it over the skin, and what that's going to do is it's going to help neutralize your P. acne bacteria in the skin. So if someone's really oily, congested, it's going to help neutralize that, so you really improves the appearance of oily and congested skin. The red light, which is quite popular, everyone loves a red light. The red light is really used to help calm redness in the skin, minimize things like irritation. It helps, reduce signs of aging, because it does, help stimulate the skin a little bit underneath the surface, and it helps increase local circulation. So This is where people say that their skin feels quite plump and bright after their HydraFacial, is that nice little add-on on the LED lights. Aftercare, what we do is we pop on our Calm Relief Balm from Society. That's infused with things like shea butter and green tea, so it's going to help calm and hydrate the skin. What you would do at home now is just use a really gentle cleanser and a moisturizer, no active serums or products for 1 whole week. So no things like exfoliation. You could easily cleanse with, your clinic moisturizer, or even, an oil-free moisturizer if you're someone who's a little bit more oily. And I will see you in another month. Thanks all.